Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use and set up AI Select on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open Settings, then go to Display. From here, just enable Edge Panel. And once you do that, a small bar will appear at the side of your screen. Just swipe from the side of the screen and open the Edge Panel. Then tap on AI Select. And as you can see, this is how you can enable AI Select. From here, you can circle on anything on the screen to select it. Just like that. Now, if you tap on this icon, you can download the selected area of the screen. You can share the selected area by tapping on this icon, and you can copy the selected area by tapping on this icon. And if you tap on this icon, you can pin the selected area on the screen. And if you tap on the last icon, you can edit the selected area. Just like that. And also you can create a GIF by using AI Select. To do that, I will open the YouTube app, and to create a GIF of this area, just open the Edge panel and select AI Select. And select the area of which you want to create a GIF. You can increase or decrease the size of the window. Then tap on the three dots over here and select Create GIF. Now just tap on Record. Then tap on Stop to stop recording. Then select Download. After that, you can find the GIF in your Gallery app. Just go to your home screen and open Gallery. And as you can see, this is the GIF we have just created. And also you can find all the saved AI Select screenshots in your Gallery app, just like that. And this is how you can use and set up AI Select on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.